Could volcano tourism boost ravaged La Palma? Demand for volcano-themed tours has soared. Authorities are investing heavily in tourism promotion. La Palma is one of Spain's poorest areas. Less visited islands. The 85-day eruption destroyed 3,000 buildings. El Paso, Spain, February 8. Reuters. The devastating volcanic eruption on the island of La Palma may have a silver lining for one of Spain's poorest areas. Scenes of solidified walls of lava up to 70 meters high and gases still seeping from the crater are attracting tourists to the island, wanting to see for themselves the aftermath of an eruption that lasted 85 days. Demand for volcano-themed tours has soared and authorities are investing heavily in promoting La Palma, one of the less visited of the tourism-dependent Canary Islands, located off Western Africa, to rebuild its economy. But they must balance their future visions for the island with the very urgent needs of the thousands of people whose homes and livelihoods were destroyed, and for whom the sight of tourists gawping at the destruction could be deeply insensitive. They must also keep any new volcanic activity in check. Despite unleashing so much destruction, the volcano has created opportunities and tourism is one of them, says Mariano Hernandez Zapata, head of the island's government.